Yes, I'm about to run your errands now.
By the way, can you also go to the vet and get my dog vaccinated, and then go to the phone store and get me a new iPhone, not the one with the 3-camera lens, I want the one with a new lens that, does a lot better, and then go to the eyeglass store and pick up my prescription, and get glasses that have like the thin frames, but not too thick of frames, but not the round ones, but not the rectangular ones, just like, something like that.
Yeah, I think I can. It's just, those are a lot of different locations that I need to route.
Oh, but you can just use Witivio's Map Pro app for that.
Oh, is it going to help me route the distance from one errand to the next more easily?
Exactly. It'll help you calculate the distance so you can figure out which places make the most sense to go in chronological order.
Awesome. I'll download that now and try it out tomorrow. Yeah.